Hello, I'm Sam Horn, and this is this week's version of our Better newsletter on how to make what's confusing crystal clear. Now, how do we do that? You know me, I start with a story. I was speaking at a conference and we were working on our elevator intros. Notice I didn't say elevator speeches, I said elevator intros. After all, who likes to listen to a speech? So I asked one woman, I said, "So what do you do?" And she said, "I'm a functional med doc that specializes in adrenal fatigue and hormonal imbalance and the gut microbiome." She must have seen my deer in headlights look. And I said, "How do people respond when you tell them that?" And she said, "They look confused." And I said, "Yeah, I could imagine." I said, "Well, would you like to know how to tailor instead of tell, how to sell instead of sell?" She said, "Sure." I said, "First question, what do your clients or prospective clients struggle with?" She said, "Well, they're tired all the time and they aren't getting much sleep and they can't lose weight." I said, "All right, start with their struggles. However, don't tell them that you help people with their struggles. Ask, do you know anyone, could be yourself, a friend or a family member, who can't sleep or who is tired all the time or is having a challenge losing weight?" And then listen, put a sock in it. They may say, "Oh, that's my sister. She's just dragging through the days." Now link, "Oh, I help people like your sister get more sleep and drop those pounds and finally get the energy." Ah, that's Sal, S, struggle, A, ask, L, listen, L, link. And if you do that, you're selling instead of selling, and you're tailoring your intro to them, setting up two-way communication instead of one-way communication. And doesn't everyone like two-way instead of one-way?